Imagine standing on a Civil War battlefield. You see two soldiers, one with an older musket, another with a newer model. Their targets are hundreds of yards away. One weapon offers a significant advantage in hitting that distant target. What makes the difference? The rifled musket achieved a flatter projectile trajectory primarily due to the helical grooves, or rifling, inside its barrel, which imparted a stabilizing spin to the bullet. This spin prevented the bullet from tumbling end over end, allowing it to maintain a more predictable and direct flight path. This stabilization is a fundamental principle of ballistics, crucial for accurate long-range firing. Without this spin, a round musket ball, or even an elongated bullet like the mini ball, would quickly become aerodynamically unstable as it traveled through the air. It would wobble, tumble end over end, and deviate significantly from its intended path, losing both accuracy and range very rapidly. The rifling acted much like the spiral throw of an American football, ensuring the projectile maintained its point-first orientation throughout its flight. Early smoothbore muskets, in contrast, propelled round balls that lacked this crucial stabilization, resulting in a much more arcing and highly unpredictable trajectory over distance. The adoption of the mini ball, a conical bullet specifically designed to expand into the rifling grooves upon firing, further enhanced this effect by creating a tight seal and maximizing the spin, delivering unprecedented accuracy for a military shoulder arm of that era. Understanding this pivotal innovation helps us to truly appreciate the dramatic shift in Civil War combat tactics. Prior to rifling, commanders were forced to relying almost entirely on massed volleys fired at very close range, typically under 100 yards, to achieve any significant impact. With infantry armed with rifled muskets, however, soldiers could engage targets for more effectively at 200 yards, 300 yards, or even further, depending on their skill and the specific weapon. This increased effective range compelled new approaches to battlefield formations, led to the development of more dispersed skirmish lines, and reduced the effectiveness of traditional close-order charges. For individual soldiers, this meant a significantly greater chance of hitting their target, but it also introduced a new, more pervasive threat of being struck by enemy fire from distances that were previously considered safe. This technological transition from smoothbore to rifled weaponry effectively extended the killing zone on the battlefield by several hundred yards, transforming the dynamics of engagements. It pushed battles away from tightly packed lines exchanging fire into more dispersed skirmishes, where cover, individual marksmanship, and rapid reloading gained critical importance. The underlying science, known as the gyroscopic effect, is a timeless principle still applied in the design of modern firearms and artillery to ensure projectile stability, accuracy, and maximum effective range. This precise understanding of bullet dynamics was a game changer for 19th century warfare. The flatter trajectory of the rifled musket, a direct and ingenious result of its innovative barrel design and specialized ammunition, fundamentally altered the nature of Civil War engagements. It represented a monumental technological leap that dramatically increased both range and accuracy, compelling military strategists to adapt their established tactics and deeply influencing the grim realities faced by countless soldiers on the front lines. This engineering triumph powerfully showcased how a seemingly simple modification to a weapon could have profound and far-reaching operational consequences for warfare.